Welcome to Budgeting 101, Managing Your Money Like a Pro. In this video, we'll show you how to manage your finances effectively through budgeting. Let's get started. Creating a budget is the first step towards financial management. Start by setting your financial goals, tracking your income and expenses, and allocating funds for different categories. You can use budgeting apps and tools to make the process easier. Tracking your expenses is crucial to staying within your budget and identifying areas for improvement. Use spreadsheets and budgeting apps to track your expenses and monitor your spending habits. Saving money is an essential part of financial management. Set savings goals and use automatic savings tools to make the process easier. Saving money can help you build an emergency fund, invest for the future, and achieve financial freedom. Debt can be a significant obstacle to financial freedom. Avoid it by living within your means, paying off credit card balances, and avoiding high-interest loans. Use debt payoff calculators and budget for unexpected expenses to stay on track. To recap, budgeting is essential for financial management. It helps you save money, avoid debt, and achieve your financial goals. Start by creating a budget, tracking your expenses, saving money, and avoiding debt. Take control of your finances and manage your money like a pro.